Hello, and welcome to Friendly English Learning. My name is Emma, and I am very happy you are here today. This podcast is a calm place to learn English. You can listen, relax, and learn step by step. Learning English is possible, even slowly and with confidence.
Hello, I am Noah, and I am also your host today. Here, we speak simple and natural English. We speak slowly and clearly for beginners. You do not need to be perfect to learn English. Every small step helps you improve.
This podcast is for beginners and English learners. It is good for listening and daily practice. You can listen at home or anywhere you like. Just take your time and enjoy the learning process.
We are very happy you are part of Friendly English Learning. Let's learn English together in a calm and friendly way.
Before we start, we have a small request for you. If you like this podcast, please give it a like. Your like helps us continue creating new episodes. It also helps other learners find this podcast.
Please remember to subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, you do not miss new episodes. Listening often helps you understand English better. Regular practice makes a big difference.
You can also share this episode with a friend. Maybe they are learning English too. Learning together is more fun and motivating.
Thank you very much for your support. Now, let's begin today's topic in a calm way.
Noah, how are you today? Are you feeling good this morning? The day feels calm and quiet. I like mornings like this very much.
I am feeling good. Thank you for asking. I feel calm and focused today. I'm drinking a cup of coffee right now. It helps me start the day slowly.
That sounds very nice. I also enjoy coffee in the morning. In the morning, I think about my day. I plan small things and take my time.
Yes, taking time is important. When we are calm, we understand better. This is true for learning English, too. Slow listening really helps beginners.
I agree. And today's topic is part of daily life. We use it very often. Today, we are talking about a very useful topic. It is something we use in daily life. The topic is asking for prices. We do this almost every day.
We ask for prices in many places. We ask in shops and stores. We ask in cafes and restaurants. We also ask in markets and malls.
Many learners feel nervous in these moments. They want to ask a question, but they are not sure what to say. This feeling is very common.
The good news is this. Asking for prices can be very simple. You only need a few easy sentences, and people usually understand you.
Today, we will practice together. We will use short and clear sentences. We will repeat important phrases. You can listen and repeat softly if you want.
Take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Let's get ready for the main conversation.
Let's imagine a simple situation. You are in a store. You see a product you like. You want to know the price.
This happens very often. It is a normal situation. Many people ask this question every day, so you are not alone.
You can ask a very simple question. You can say, "How much is this?" This sentence is short and clear. People understand it easily.
I will say it again slowly. How much is this? You can repeat it with me. How much is this?
Sometimes you point to the product. That makes it even clearer. You smile and ask politely, "How much is this?"
The person in the store answers you. They say a number. They say the price. You listen carefully.
For example, they say, "It is $10," or they say, "It is £5." The number is the most important part. You do not need to understand everything.
Listening to prices takes practice, but with time, it gets easier. You are learning step by step.
If this practice helps you, please give us a like. Subscribe to the channel for more calm English.
And share this episode with a friend who learns English. Learning together is always better.
There is another easy way to ask about the price. You can also say, "How much does it cost?" This question is very common. People use it all the time.
Let me say it slowly. How much does it cost? You can listen and repeat quietly. How much does it cost?
Sometimes you want to be more polite. You can add one small word. You can say, "How much does it cost, please?" This sounds friendly and kind.
Being polite is always good. A smile and a calm voice help a lot. Most people are happy to help, especially when you are learning.
You may hear different answers, but you always hear the number. That is what you need most. Focus on the number and the money word.
Do not worry if you do not understand everything. Understanding comes with time and practice. You are doing very well.
If you enjoy this calm practice, please like the video, subscribe for more simple English listening.
And share this episode with someone who needs it. Thank you for learning with us.
Sometimes you feel tired. You work all day, you study English after work or school. This can be hard.
Yes, learning a new language takes energy. Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel tired. Both feelings are normal.
Sometimes you feel happy. You understand a sentence. You understand a word in English. That moment feels very good.
Those small moments are important. They show your progress. You are learning more than you think, step by step, day by day.
It is okay to go slow. It is okay to rest. Learning English is not a race. It is a journey.
We are happy to learn with you. You are not alone on this path. We continue together, calmly and with motivation.
Now let's review what we talked about today. We spoke about asking for prices. This is a very common daily situation. You use it in many places.
We practiced simple questions. One question was, "How much is this?" This question is short and clear. It is easy to remember.
Another question was, "How much does it cost?" This question is also very natural. You hear it often in real life.
We also added the word please. This makes your question more polite. Being polite helps communication.
We talked about listening to the number. The number is the most important part. You do not need to understand everything else.
With practice, you feel more confident. Listening again helps a lot. You are doing great.
Now it is your turn to practice. We would love to hear from you. Writing is also a great way to learn. You can start with a very simple sentence.
Please write a short comment in English. You can write, "How much is this?" Or you can write, "How much does it cost?" One short sentence is perfect.
You can also answer a question. Where do you ask for prices? In a store, in a cafe, or in a market?
Write your answer in the comments. Do not worry about mistakes. Practice is more important than perfection.
Please remember to like this episode, subscribe to Friendly English Learning, and share this podcast with other learners.
Your support helps us a lot. Thank you for learning with us today.
Thank you very much for listening today. We are happy you spent this time with us. We hope you feel a little more confident now.
Take a calm moment today. Maybe listen to this episode again later. Listening more than once really helps.
We wish you a great day, or a nice evening, or a peaceful rest.
Be kind to yourself. Learning English takes time, and you're doing very well.
See you soon at Friendly English Learning. We are happy to learn with you.